Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel Incredible India. In this video, I am telling about marketing and their type. So don't waste the time, let's start the video. Marketing research is a systematic process of analyzing data that involves conducting research to supporting marketing activities and the statistics interpretation of data into information. This information is then used by managers to plan marketing activity, gauge the nature of firm's marketing environment, and to attend information for supplier. A destination should be made between marketing research and market research. Market research involves gathering information about a particular target market. As an example, a firm may conduct research in a target market after selecting a suitable market segment. In contrast, marketing research related to all research conduct within market. Market research is a subset of marketing research, avoiding the word consumer, which show up the both. Market research is about distribution, while marketing research encompasses distribution, advertising effectiveness, and salesful effectiveness. Marketing research use statistical method to interpret their finding and convert data into information. The stage of research included define the problem, plan research, interpret data, implement finding. Segmentation. Market segmentation consists of taking the total market of the product and dividing it into several sub-market or segment, each of the which tend to be homogeneous in all significant aspect. The process is conduct of two main purpose: better allocation of firm finite resources and to better solve the more diversity taste of contemporary consumer. If firm only possesses a certain amount of resources, thus it must make choice in service to a specific group of consumer. Moreover, which more diversity in the taste of modern consumer firm are noting the benefit of serving a multiplicity of new market. Market segment can be defined in terms of the STP, meaning segment, target, and position. Segmentation involves the initial splitting up a consumer into person of like, need, want, taste. Commonly used criteria include geographic, physiographic, demographic, gender, income, life cycle, lifestyle, behavioral, associative, measurable, profitable. The next step in a targeting process is the level of differentiation involved in a segment survey. Three modes of differentiations existing, which are the commonly applied by firm. These are undifferentiation, differentiation, or niche, where a company produces a like product for all of the market segment, in which firm produce slight modifications of product which within a segment, in which of organization forge a product to satisfy the specific target market. Positioning concern how to position a product in the mind of consumer and inform what attribute differentiate it from the competitor product. A firm often performs this by producing a map which denotes a similar product produces in the same industry according to how consumer prescribe these price and quality. From the product placing on the map, a firm would tailor its marketing communication to match the product perception among consumer and its position among competitor offering. Promotional mix. The promotional mix outlines how a company will market its product. It consists of 5 tools: personal selling, sales promotion, public relation, advertising, and social media. Personal selling involve a presentation given by the salesperson to an individual or a group of potential customer. It involves two-way communication and relationship building, and it most commonly seen in a business-to-business marketing, but can also found in business-to-consumer marketing. Sales promotion involves short-term incentive to encourage the buying of product. Example of these incentives include free sample, contents, premium, trade show, giveaways, coupons, skip stock and games. Depending on the incentive, one or more of the other element of the promotional mix may be used to conjunction with sales promotion to inform customer of the incentives. Public relation is the use of media tools to promote and monitoring a positive view of company or product in a public eye. The goal to either sustain a positive opinion or lessen of change a negative opinion. It can include interviews, speech, presentation, corporate literature, social media, news release, and a special event. Advertisement occur when a firm directly pay to the media channel directly via an in-house agency or via an advertising agency or media buying service to publicize its product, service or message. Commonly example of advertising media include TV, radio, magazine, online, billboard, event sponsorship, direct mail. Social media is used to facilitate two-way communication between companies and their customers. Outlets such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Snapchat, YouTube allow brand to start a conversation with regular and prospective customers. Viral marketing can be greatly facilitated by social media and it's successful. Allow key marketing message and content in reaching a large number of target audience which is short time frame. These platforms can also house advertisement and public relation content. The marketing plan. The area of marketing planning involves forging a plan for a firm marketing activities. A marketing plan can also present a specific product as well as an organization overall marketing strategy. An organization marketing plan process is derived from its overall business strategy. Thus, when the top management is diverging the firm strategic direction and mission. Outline of marketing plan. Within an overall strategic marketing plan, the stage of the process are listed: executive summary, current marketing situation, threat and opportunity analysis, objective and issues, marketing strategy, action programs, budget control. Level of marketing objective within an organization. As stated previously, the senior management of the firm would be formulated a given business strategy for a firm. However, this general business strategy would be interpreted and implanted in a different constant throughout the firm. At the corporate level, marketing objectives are typically broad based in nature and pertain to the given vision of firm in a short and medium and long term. Example: the financial level related to the department within the SBU, strategic business unit, such as marketing, finance, HR, production, etc. The function level would be adopted the SBU strategy and determine how to accomplish the SBU own objective in its market. Thanks for watching my video. Those who are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel Incredible India and press bell icon for new video notification. Thank you.